Just one simple move, so easy, so effective. Just 1 minute into the exercise and I'm sweating already. I can't tell you. This exercise is a killer one. If you've tried every trick in the book and finally on the brink of giving up, then don't just yet, because today's video is exactly what you need, which is going to help you lose that belly fat finally once and for all with a simple easy technique that I'm going to show you. Trust me, it only involves one simple move and very simple breathing technique. It's just like standing in a place and just concentrating mainly on your breathing technique and just on your hand and feet movement. It's so easy and completely beginner friendly. I'm sure you can do it, and if you master it, you're sure to see results. I guarantee you. As a certified dietitian, many people ask me what along with these exercises can be done to get even faster and effective results. Well, it's very easy. The tip I'm going to share with you is so easy and so doable that you're definitely never going to falter after this. So to cut down your calorie intake, a simple tip, here it is. All you have to do is, when you have a freshly home cooked meal, just try and reduce your carbohydrates by half the quantity and double the quantity of your vegetables in the plate. Once you finish it all, you can take a second helping. I'm sure this tip is sure gonna help you burn calories and also improve your metabolism. Now let's move on to that absolutely super easy exercise. Breathing in, breathing out. Inhalation and exhalation is not just a mere process, but this is life. That's the main crux of all human mankind. But did you know, if you perform it effectively enough, can actually help you get a flat belly and a slim waist. All you have to do is, while breathing in, you have to keep your core tight so that this area, the muscles, are all tightened and they are stretched, because of which you will actually feel the stretch around this very area, which will definitely help tone, tighten, strengthen your core muscles. And those are the muscles which we are actually targeting. So this very technique involves not just one part, but the second part involves a counter movement where you breathe in, you breathe out, the movement shifts from one part to the other, which itself is actually going to form one single move, which you have to do repetitively every single day to get the maximum benefits. And this is a compound movement. It's not just about your core, your belly area, it's your full body area which is going to be targeted. So let's do this exercise together. You have to stand tall, stand straight with your spine absolutely straight. You have to just be very calm, keep your core tight, and then you have to breathe in while lifting up your arms and one leg, just like this. And then you're going to do it with the other leg. Now let's do it together with one leg 10 times and then the other leg 10 times. Gosh, just 1 minute into the exercise and I'm sweating already. You can see my face is all sweaty and flushed. Definitely this exercise is working and it's just been 1 minute doing it. I'm sure if you do it every single day without any fail, at least 5 to 10 minutes along with me, you're sure to see results. But this was just the first part of it. Now we come to the second part. So let's take a breather, and as soon as you finish in 10 seconds, let's get back to the second part. So now we're done with the breathing in, but now we have to concentrate on the breathing out part of it, the exhalation. Not that we're going to stop breathing in, but that's all we're going to concentrate on while we're breathing out. We want all the toxins to come out, but while we have our core engaged, we have it tight and firm. So let's do this together. All you have to do is now breathe out only, and you have to touch your toe with your hands. Very easy, very simple. Let me show you. It's very easy, very simple. Let's do it together. 10 counts with this leg and then 10 counts with this leg. Let's do it with the other leg. Very good. God, I'm already sweating and huffing and panting. I'm sure you've got the calorie burn in place, your core is tight, and the exercise is working its magic. Now, I suggest you do this very exercise 5 to 10 minutes every single day along with me. And don't forget the tip which I mentioned right in the beginning of the video. You must inculcate clean eating and healthy eating habits. Don't forget to drink at least 3 to 4 liters of water every day and get a good night's sleep. Now I'm going to see you soon with many more exciting videos. Until then, take care.